I am making a sour cream chocolate crockpot cake. Got my cake mix, my pudding mix, eggs. Now, the recipe calls for 4 eggs, but I'm using jumbo eggs, so I'm only going to use 3 eggs. Water and oil. And the secret ingredient, yogurt or sour cream. Now, the recipe calls for sour cream, but I have this yogurt left over. It just appeared in my refrigerator. No one knows where it came from, so like, okay, I'm gonna use it for baking since nobody knows where it came from. Do you know where the yogurt came from, Jack?
Probably my brother.
Probably your brother?
Yep.
It wouldn't be your brother, would it?
Nope.
All right. And then my chocolate chips. All right, yum. Got my crock pot. Spraying it with oil. Yes, if you want to use a liner, you can. There we go. There we go, get it all spread out. And we are going to cover and cook this. The recipe is in the description below. So just so you're caught off guard, this is a spoon cake, and a spoon cake is similar to a lava cake, but it's not as runny, but it is very moist and very delicious. But don't be afraid if it's really gooey, it is cooked. It's just super gooey like a lava cake.